Hello, just a quick video of my Koolatron mini fridge. I got it for my office just to store some things for my lunches, but unfortunately after about 2 months the temperature started increasing and getting a bit warmer and warmer, and after 5 months it finally died, so it's now pretty much useless. I'll just show you the back here. It is plugged in and I've checked at the wall and I've re-plugged in other spots. I've currently got it off because I was hoping that if I left it off for an extended period of time it would start working, but unfortunately no such luck. Every so often the green light will flicker, but really there's nothing. After 5 months this has completely died, which is disappointing, so certainly not worth it. I would not recommend this fridge just for its short lifespan.
As you can see, the plug is connected and it's only been 3 weeks. So everything's attached, it's inside, pushed really hard, and you'll know if it's on because the button will turn green. And I just noticed today that it's no longer working. Everything inside is warm. It's only been 3 weeks, so I don't recommend that you buy this. It was really cute in the beginning. It was actually perfect, but if you want longevity, maybe get something else. Anyways, I'm gonna try to return it. Good luck, everybody. So here we are, we got the fridge plugged in. I'm gonna turn it on. Nothing, no power here whatsoever. Turn it around real quick so you can see.